Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. We've got a choice of these, three available, identical, 2017s, 217 regs, 11767 reg. The GAA fridge vans, long wheelbase, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter vans, Euro 6 long wheelbase. Got the standby on the vehicles, side door. These vans are also the premium editions with the air conditioning. So top spec, chrome on the front, wheel covers, different seats in the inside, grab handles, air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control. Blue efficiency engines with the Euro 6 engine. Choice of three available, all on the website, separate pictures. But all the same spec, all got the same setup in the back. Cloth seats, 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth stereo, cruise control. Got all your temperature control unit there. Premium edition with the armrest on the driver's seat. The slab rear doors on the back there, fridge doors. Close them up in one moment for you. I'll just close them open so you can have a look in the back there. All fridge lined. Doors come all the way to the side of the van so you can load, clip onto there just in case you're loading with a forklift truck, so you can get straight in with your load. There's the overnight standby. The one owner vehicles, they come direct Mercedes-Benz. Got spare keys with the vans. This one's got 2 spare keys there. All genuine mileage, all one owners. Two 2017s, premium editions, identical to this one on the video, and 167 reg. Also, separate pictures on the website. We are just using this video for all same 3 vehicles. Anything else you'd like to discuss, drop us an email, give us a call. Same day finance deals, and we're open 7 days a week. Thanks for watching the video.